Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's new in Canva Sheet. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. Is it really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Today I would like to show you two small features in a sheet which is available for all users. And this is really help us to create better and better sheets, which is, I think, both features already exist in Excel. So just helps to improve our productivity. For the first, we need to select more than one lines in a sheet. Right click and we can group the rows. I said group 3 rows. Grouping it. I can do the same with these 4 rows, so that's group 4 rows, and here we can do the same with these two C columns. So if you have a larger thing, larger table with lots of like customers or something, and you would like to make it more visible or easier visible, we can do the same like this. We can just group it. So we have this drop down menu. So we just click on the arrow showing show group, and as you can see, opening the lines, and easily we can close it. We can do it with all of the lines, all of the group elements. And how can we ungroup it if we don't need it? Just right click and remove grouping. Same here, remove grouping, and going to that first one, remove grouping. So this is really happy if we are like we have invoices for something like this with one customer, and we use the column A as like a customer, and we can group all the customers, and that's really easy to manage. I would like to see one thing what I didn't even know. So if I group rows and select something like this cell, and just color it to this purple, if I that's not doing for a whole group. I was expecting something like this, like could be selecting everything in once. Now right now I have to going up, but so that's not that advanced. Not this group is not like when we are grouping different elements in a editor in Canva. So we just really just group them, and we have this drop down menu, which is still easier to visualize things, so that's still useful. So, and for the other thing, if we so already know what is happening. So we have the same, we can hide column, and then when we hiding the column, we can see the column is hidden because you can see here from C to E, so something is missing. And we have this double arrow, and we are hovering the mouse as show column, so we can open it. And with one click, we can still hide it. And of course, right click on the column and unhide. So this is how we can unhide it, even if we can open it when it's hidden, but we still have this hide it function, and opening and closing it with the arrows, or just doing like this, just unhide, and in this case we have the column fully part again of the of the cells or the sheet. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people. And of course, just let me know if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just you have any question about Canva, and I will answer it as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in a TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find links in a description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.